Electrum Bitcoin Wallet App. The pros, the cons. Electrum is one of the oldest and most respected Bitcoin wallets, but after over a decade in the crypto world, is it still the best choice? Let's look at the pros, the cons, and the surprising truth about the Electrum Bitcoin wallet. Starting with the pros, Electrum's biggest strength is its reliability. Launched in 2011, it's battle-tested and trusted by millions. The wallet is lightweight, meaning it doesn't require downloading the entire Bitcoin blockchain. Instead, it connects to decentralized servers, making transactions quick and efficient. Security is another standout feature. Electrum is non-custodial, so you control your private keys and seed phrase. It also supports hardware wallets like Trezor and Ledger, multi-signature wallets, and cold storage setups, giving advanced users powerful layers of protection. Another major pro is customization. Electrum allows users to set custom transaction fees, connect to their own servers, and even use command line features for automation. It's built for those who want complete control over how Bitcoin transactions are handled. But what about the cons? The biggest one is complexity. Electrum's interface is minimalist and functional, but not particularly beginner-friendly. It lacks the modern polish of mobile wallets and can feel intimidating to new users. Another con is that Electrum supports only Bitcoin. There's no multi-chain functionality or token support. If you want to manage Ethereum or altcoins, you'll need another wallet. Additionally, because it connects to remote servers, there's a small trust factor involved, although you can run your own server to eliminate that risk entirely. In conclusion, the Electrum Bitcoin wallet remains one of the most secure and flexible Bitcoin wallets ever made. The surprising truth? It's not for everyone, but for serious Bitcoin users who want speed, privacy, and control, Electrum is a timeless classic that continues to stand the test of time.